Guys, welcome back to Subi Doesn't Shave, where we're going to be doing just the giveaway today, guys. And I know you wanted to see the rest of my house, so here we are. It's going to be fun. And what we're going to do today is we're going to do 3 giveaways. We're going to do 2 small ones that are just the razors with maybe a few extra things added. And then we're also going to be doing the 3rd giveaway, which will be the last one, for the brushes, or for the brush. For the really nice one, thanks to Cullen Claffin. Again, Cullen Claffin, thank you so much for being part of the giveaway and making this possible. Without you, we would only be doing the razors, so thank you so much. Let's get to it, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Let's spin the wheel. Who's ready to spin a wheel? Let's go. All right, we're recording. This is the spin the wheel time. Let's go. Everybody that was entered is right here. We have 18 total entrants. If we do get a duplicate, that will be skipped. I do not believe we will, but we shall see. If you see here, if your name is not on this list, you are not being included. So I did my best. I did go through and count, but 18 entrants. All right, let's go. It's kind of fun. The colors are fun. And the first winner is Dave Weaver. Dave, you have received and won one of the small mystery boxes with for sure a razor, 2 razors. And since you won first, Dave, if you want to go back and watch the last 2 videos and choose between the 2 4 razors, that would be awesome. Let me know via email. Joe, you lucky bugger! Joe always wins everything, everywhere, man. Joe, pulling in number 2. Again, go to my contact email and send me an email. Give me your guys' information, and I'll send you out packages. But send it to my contact email on my YouTube channel. All right, this is for the big one, guys. This is for the SHD Badger. Beautiful brush. Are you ready? Let's go. jdtg, man. And that's it, guys. Hopefully this gets to you well. Thank you so much for being part of the channel. Again, if the 3 users here, Dave, Joe, and jdtg, will send me an email, I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll get you guys' stuff out to you. Sorry for everybody else that entered. Keep in mind, this is not going to be an only time thing. We're going to do some other giveaways. And I really appreciate everybody, supporting the channel and being here for this. So again, here's the results. And nothing was duped or, faked. Thank you guys so much. We will be in touch. Bye, guys.